Hey guys, on today's video, we're going to be downloading Google Chrome to your Mac. So, in Safari, so this is Safari right here. You guys can open up Safari. It's usually down here below as well. So Safari looks like this. Just open that up. That's your web browser. From there, all you guys have to do is go into Google and just type in Google Chrome or just Chrome. Either way, you guys are going to get this. And you guys have to make sure that it's coming from Google, okay? So we're gonna download this. Don't go into any other websites. There's no need to. This is something from Google. You guys can go directly to their website. No need for any third parties. So right here, we're gonna notice that we have Google Chrome, download Google Chrome. We can go ahead and download that. We have to accept and install. And this is gonna be pretty fast because it's not a huge file. We do have to click on allow and it's gonna start downloading. I'm gonna click allow there and we're set. On the top right hand side, we're gonna see the progress bar. We can click right here and we can see Google Chrome DMG. So it should be a DMG file. We're gonna go ahead, click on it, and it's gonna start opening up. There's a bunch of apps that weren't compatible with Macs way back in the day. However, now a lot of programs and apps are 100% compatible with Mac. As with most apps that you guys download, you do have to drag it and just put it into your app folder. And from there, it's just gonna transfer on and we are done. That's basically how you guys can download and install Google Chrome. So right now, if I go into my apps folder, which should be under Finder, I can go ahead and look for that and just go into my apps folder, or I can just go into my Spotlight search on the top right hand side. So there's this guy right here. I can click right there. I'm gonna see this Spotlight search and just type in Chrome and I'm gonna see this. So I can open it up and for the very first time, we're gonna be opening up Google Chrome. So here we go. This is Chrome. I'm just gonna allow. Open this up in full screen so you guys can see it. And we can get started. So you don't have to sign in order to use Google Chrome. However, it's best if you do so everything syncs up nicely. So to get started, go ahead, use Google, go into anything. We can skip this for now. Because we can't customize it. It's Chrome after all. It's just the regular Chrome. We can just go no thank you for now and start using Chrome to Google anything we would like. Anytime that you guys would like to sign in, just go right on the top right hand side. You guys will see Gmail. Just sign into your Google and you're all done. Also, you may notice up here there's a profile pic. Well, into there, you guys can go ahead and sign into your Google as well with the user that you have already. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.